Crazy Cuties. I know it's a little bit too early to think about Christmas. I know it's a little bit too early to think about gift shopping. I know it's way too early because we're still in October. But you know what? Might as well get it if it's on sale, or might as well get it anyway because you never know if they're going to be sold out before you can get it. So you might see a lot of gift sets. You're probably going to see more Advent calendars around this time with me because I thought it'd be cool to do. But yes. Yes. At my job, we already got Christmas stuff out, and it's already in it. We're already Halloween is not even here and has not went away yet. So that's crazy. I don't know. It's crazy, but you know what? It is what it is. For my first time ever, I got the Revolution Beauty Advent calendar. This is the All Stars. This is my very first time getting an Advent calendar from a beauty brand. And I'm just like, you know what, let's do a review and just go for it. So less products to buy for me. But yes, so you get 24 days of products. The value is, I don't know how much the value of this one is. I got it for $65 at Ulta. You can get this on Amazon. I'll put the link down below for you guys. And you can get it on their website. Um, I got this during Ulta, and yeah, they don't even sell this anymore on Ulta. So I think I got the very last box. Because after I got this box, it was like no more. I said, thank the Lord, on that because I would have gone on Amazon anyway and buy it if I need to be. But it is what it is. But I am planning to get other ones that they have. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, this box is so cute. I love it. So he give you a little sneak peek right here, which is awesome. And then, of course, it's the card to give you all the information at the back. So all these products are vegan and cruelty free. My cats will probably go crazy with this. Ooh, cool. So I don't know. I might do a full makeup look with these products too. So see that? So this looks like. That's really cute. I like how the box is. It's like I like it. It's really nice and hefty. So, yeah, you can open it at the bottom, just get all the products out. But if you do not want to be spoiled, do not watch this video. I should have said this in the beginning, but you know what? It is what it is. And my cat is just like it is what it is. We're gonna open number one. So we get a shimmer lip gloss for day one. This is cute. Has Glow Flex in it, which is not my thing, and my cat is like knocking stuff over. But it's called, so this is Berry Luster. So it's cute. I like that. This is a shimmer lip gloss. It's not one of my things, but I keep it, you know. Day two is right here. We get a little mirror, which is cute. I like that. I really like how it's simple. It's quite simple and I like it. It's nice and handheld, which I need to do better with my handheld mirrors and everything. But yeah. Is there this is their ooh, I've been eyeing this product for a while. Is their Being Bright blush. Ooh. And this one's called Pink Party. I've been I've been looking at this for a while and I didn't know if I really wanted to get it or not. But this is like a dupe for I think Raw Beauty, I believe. Not Raw Beauty. Um Selena Gomez ones. Rare Beauty. There we go. Rare Beauty. So this is called Pink Party. It's baked, I think. I don't know. Okay. I would actually use this as a highlighter. Tell the truth. It's very interesting. Number four is this. Oh, number four is a lipstick. Ooh, and I don't know what this shade is. This one. Oh, okay, we got the shade. This one is called Icon Nude. Ooh, it's part of their Icon collection. Ooh, I like that color. That color is really pretty. This is like my go-to color anyway. Why am I smelling it? Because you know what? It is what it is. But it's a really beautiful, beautiful shade. Like that. Number 5. We have a highlighter. Ooh. I really like their highlighters. I think their highlighters are really good. This is a mini size. And this is a powder highlighter. So it's not baked or anything like that. So this is what the shade looks like. And like I said, I really like their highlighters. I really like that. I really like that. This is like one of I like gold highlighters anyway, and this one's like a really nice champagne color. It's like really, you can definitely see the highlight right there. Number 6. So what we got? Ooh, it looks like we got. Oh, so it looks like we got a lip liner. No, it's an eyeliner. Ooh, so purple eyeliner. I need more eyeliners anyway. Number 7. Okay, we got. Ooh, looks like we got a single eyeshadow. Yes, we do. So it's a shimmer eyeshadow. It doesn't say what color is this, but it's a shimmer eyeshadow. That's aggravating. Like, I like to know what the name is. Number 8. We have a mini size glow stick cream. This one doesn't have a name for it, which is mm, aggravating. Number 9. Full stick. Ooh, it's a shimmer shadow. And the shade. Okay, they supposed to have the names at the bottom on these. I guess they didn't do that. It is what it is. So we got a cool stick shimmer shadow in the shade Silver Smoke. Ooh, it right here. Oh wow, I like it. It's nice. It's a cool formula. I never had that kind of formula. I'm gonna put the top right there. So that's cool that they have something like this, but that's really nice. I like that. That's a cool way of that. So it doesn't really budge with it. It's a little bit like rub it, you will have some little product coming off. But okay. So 10. Ooh. So we have a mini lipstick, which is cute. And we have Siren pink nude. That's interesting how small it is, but I like this kind of form. Oh, like I said, it's a nice little pinky nude. It's a little bit deeper than this one. I like when they give you a mixture of full size to mini sizes. Now what we're at number 10. Now we're at number 11. We have a brush. Oh my goodness, those are cute. I like the brush. It's like a fluffy blending brush, which I do like. Do I need more makeup brushes? No, but I think will be a great addition to my makeup brushes collection because I feel like that'd be good for the crease. So this is a good fluffy crease brush, or you can even use it as a blending brush, or even use it as a highlighter brush, depending on how you wanted to use it. But I'm definitely be using this on the crease. I like that. I like they're giving you all of that. Now, number 12, we get a powder blush in the shade Berry. Ooh, I like this color. This is a great fall to wintertime color for me. So, of course, that's really a berry. Yeah, it's like a really berry color. Uh, yeah. This is a great fall for a winter one for me because I like for fall and winter, I like to go with like a berry plummy colors. And then 13, we have translucent baking powder. I already have. Actually, I don't have this shade. But I really do like their baking powders. I've kind of mixed it with my e.l.f. HD powder because the HD powder is like really, really fine. But I like to mix it with the luxury baking powder. And this is the Ghost one, which I like to use as my highlighting. But for all day, like setting the face up, or even your highlighter or your um, concealer where you highlight your under eye and all of that, that'd be great. But this is their baking powder is like one of the best ones that I've tried. 14. Where's number 14? Okay. Ooh, we have Revolution's lip oil, hydrating lip oil. Ooh, I like lip oil, especially around like doing my makeup and everything else. This is called cherry. I wonder if it smells like cherry. Yeah, it smells like definitely like cherry. Definitely like a cherry smell. Smells like what kind of candy has a cherry smell? Remember those kind of candies that you can squeeze it's like a you put it on this whatever, then you lick it off. It's like a gel thing candy stick. I can't think of it now. That's what it reminds me of. Okay, number 15, what we have. Well, I'm saying this is a little interesting. This is like a little ball. Oh, oh, this is like Revolution Glow. What's this? They'll say. Oh, it's a lip balm. That is so cute. I like that. I really do. That's so cute. It smells like vanilla. Straight up vanilla. So what's day 16 looks like? Okay. Looks like we know they have a stick form. I don't know which this one is, but it does not have a name on there, so I will have to look it up when I'm doing, products of them. So this is a cream blush. This is a really maroon brown color, which I don't do sticks like these. It's kind of not my jam, but but I would definitely will try this out. So it's a definitely a cream blush. It's like a very it's a blush stick, but it's like very when I'm thinking about blushes, I'm always thinking of those cream blushes like that, but this one does give you that pump, but it's like very emollient. Mm, mm, I don't know, but it's interesting. I'll say. Day 17. Oh, we have a blending. Ooh, we have like a small blending, sponge thing, which you can use this how you want to use this. Tell you the truth, these are not my favorite face applications or anything like that. It's just not one of my things. But you know what? I'm always like, hey, sometimes I like to use sponges depending on the product. But when it comes to powders, I like it with powder more than anything, more than I like it with liquid. Now, number 18, we have a cream face palette, cream contour palette. And I don't know what shade is this. Will it work for my skin tone? Tell the truth, it would. Anybody else who's darker than me or maybe definitely darker than me, like medium to dark, this will not work for you. Maybe it would if you got medium, like to medium will work, but to medium to dark, I don't think this would work. 19. Okay, we're getting there. Oh, we have a mascara. So I am definitely going to open this. This is for the volume, which, hey, I want to buy mascara. This is cute. I like the packaging. I love animal print anyway. So this is cute. Oh, oh my gosh. That's a jumbo mus. Actually, the formula is what counts, right? It's the formula that counts. 20. Okay, 4 more days. Oh, we have two. We have two mini sizes of padding that you can to use on your finger. Good for the translucent. Now, this is something I have not really tried, but I'm willing to try it out. You get two of them. Well, that's not bad. I'm definitely going to try these out. So that's a plus. I like trying new things out, granted. So day 21. Now it looks like we might get a brush or eyeliner or lip liner, depending. So let me tear up that. So kind of open at the back. So, ooh, yeah, I hate those sticky things. So it looks like we have a liquid eyeliner. Yep. It's their Fierce Split Black Felt Eyeliner. That's what it looks like. I like their eyeliners. Their eyeliners are really good. We're day 22. So, oh, okay, we have our brow gel product, which is clear, which is nice. I like when they do that. Don't know why I'm told you, but I don't know why I smelled it. But I do like this. So for day 23, we have a lip liner. It's called Flame Deep Nude. So it's a deep nude, as they say. Ooh. It's a nice, actually, that will work for both lip products that you get. So you can make it deeper if you want. Um, it's a nice terracotta nude, if you like that. I do like the formula of these anyway, so these are pretty good. And the last one, day 24, mini icon eyeshadow. No, it reminds me of a little bit of Elf's ones, the light ones. That's what it reminds me of. This is what the shades are. So what it looks like, you got two mattes and two shimmers. So you can do a full-on look or a really quite simple look, which I do like. I really like how it looks. This is beautiful. I like these colors. Very warm to a cool tone. I didn't put this, but this is really pretty. I really, really do like this collection. I do because you have a very cohesive look you can create. I love it that they give you like good mini sizes, but also they give you nice full sizes, like the eyeliner, the lip products, even the mascara. Um, I really do like that. And I also liked it that they give you little face products that can go with the products you have, including eyeshadow brushes. Things are really beautiful. I'm glad they give you different kind of products, not just like the basic ones or anything like that, because sometimes they can give you the really basic ones and just like, what the heck? They don't have this at Ulta anymore, but you can check on Amazon. And like I said before, I will put a link down below for you guys if you want to get it. And also, you might want to check on Maker Solution to see if they still have it. So, what do you think? What do you think? Is this something that's worth your money or not? Are you going to get it for yourself for it to, like, get excited that you get, or give it to a friend and see? I think this is one of the best ones, even though it's my first time trying this out. I'm very excited to try other advent calendars and see what other companies do. And yeah, I think this is really worth the money. But yeah, so this is it for today's video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you. God bless.